look at magnetic materials, so the building block of magnetic material actually is the spin. And spin is one of two features of electron. So electron has another feature is charge. So that's why we have all kind of modern electronic device. If you look at these spin behaviors on the magnetic material, and then really can give you multiple functions that's never been existing before. Anything you make a progress along these lines could impact society. And one of the approach is using magnetic materials and spintronic device, we can change the game completely. For modern society, I think computing and memory are the key to address future artificial intelligence systems, and that means comparable to human brain. I'm passionate about magnetism and magnetic material. So now we look for what's the next. It's so exciting field. My role is just like a chief scientist, try to transfer the knowledge, try to convince people the feasibility of this technology is there, makes the transfer to a real product, and Zepto Life Technology really benefit a lot from that. So is spintronic device being used for biosensing. We find or detect the disease at very early stage. Turns out it really works well. So basically, there is a chance we can cut down the whole cost for healthcare system. Minnesota also had wonderful research on the semiconductors, the transistors. So I think we should build health ecosystems around those key technology being developed by wonderful research at the University of Minnesota and including industry. And then take advantage of this new physics and the new materials, new device. Maybe there's a chance we can build a spin wang.